Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set or change your app logo, also called app icon, in Android Studio for your existing project. Open existing project and go to the resource manager. Then right click on res, then map, then click on new and select image asset. After that upload your logo in PNG or SVG format. Android Studio will automatically generate all sizes. You can adjust the size of the upload image as per your need using resize slider. Then select the background layer if required to set a background color. After that press the next button. And then click the finish button to override the default icon with the latest one. As you can see, the old icon has been successfully replaced with the new one. So we're done here. Let's go ahead and test the app. That's it. You've successfully changed your app logo in Android Studio. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.